Just making a quick video with respect to the salt generator in our system. We had originally the TruClear hooked up here, and it was uncertain when we had our pool done whether the Nature2 Fusion Soft would be compatible with the Jandy. I understand they're made by effectively the same parent company, but they didn't advertise automation compatibility. Into this first full year of our pool, the TruClear wasn't keeping up, especially after heavy rain. Worked with our pool builder and they came in and replaced it with the Nature2 Fusion Soft, which is the default saltwater generator for their installs. And since the Jandy is already set up, the TCX, for the TruClear, I didn't change anything. 4-wire low voltage RS-45 was connected between the TCX and the Nature2 Fusion Soft, and everything worked. Can continue to put it into boost, change the salt levels, make all the necessary adjustments straight from the app on my phone versus the box itself. And so couldn't be happier, and just wanted to let some folks who may be in the same boat deciding between straight Jandy line equipment or some of the alternates under their parent company like the Nature2 Fusion Soft. And so far this whole setup has been working beautifully this summer. Heat pump just turned on. I just cleaned all the equipment. Looks good.